Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor. Now, we don't market Crypto Market Mentor a lot, but we do have another service under the Fitzpatrick Trading Group umbrella, and that is Crypto Market Mentor. If you're interested in learning about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets, you should definitely check out Crypto Market Mentor. And I'm going to trade, whether you trade stocks or crypto right now. You can actually do both, but it is a native crypto asset, and that is Solana. Now, Solana on Coinbase is SOL USDC. That is the Circle stablecoin trading pair. But I certainly want you to watch Solana right here because, as you can see, Solana has been grinding out a bit of a near-term bottom. Now, whether or not Bitcoin has bottomed completely, like people like Tom Lee say, I'm not so sure, but I look at the chart here and I say, okay, I certainly see buyers coming in on Solana in and around this area time and time again. Every time it comes back down to that 75, 76 zone, the buyers step in again and again. And now we're consolidating over the past few days just under the 50-day moving average. And so what I want to see from Solana is a move through and a close above 85.50, which is right near that 50-day moving average. And ideally, it's able to close just above that near-term level. If it can do that, then I think Solana could follow Bitcoin higher and Ethereum higher. Now, Solana has been lagging lately, mainly due to something called Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid's really sucked a lot of the air out of the Solana balloon. But if we do see a bit of a crypto relief rally, not only do I think Hyperliquid could rally, I certainly think we could see some follow-on rally here on Solana, and it's not as extended as a lot of other cryptos. So keep an eye on Solana for a move through and a close above 85.50. And if you trade stocks, you can trade the Solana ETF BSOL. This is the Bitwise Solana staking ETF. It's the most liquid and they have the most assets under management when it comes to the Solana ecosystem. So set an alert on Solana, the crypto token, and then watch to see if we get BSOL, the Solana ETF, also breaking above and closing above the 50-day moving average, like ETFs like Ethereum and IBIT have already done. So we're looking for a bit of a catch-up trade on Solana, and that's one of the things that we're watching not only at Stock Market Mentor, but also at Crypto Market Mentor. So I hope that video is helpful. My name is Scott McGregor. I'll see you next time.